Uhuru Kenyatta and Deputy President William Ruto are set for a major showdown during the upcoming Kiambaa by-election. Emboldened by the win in the just concluded Juja mini-poll, Ruto is seeking to test his firepower as his boss sets out to dismiss a perception that he is gradually losing grip of his Mount Kenya backyard. On the ground report tonight, KTN's Jeff Kiru interrogates a contest that's shaping out to be a two-horse race between Jubilee Party and its affiliate, United Democratic Alliance, UDA.
For almost 3 years now, they have been engaging in proxy wars. But the Kiambaa parliamentary by-election is promising to provide a platform in which the two leaders will flex their muscles. Both the president and his deputy are seeking to reassert their authority in the populous Mount Kenya region, where President Kenyatta appears to be losing his grip from Ruto's onslaught.
An emphatic win is critical for us to clearly say that this is our domain, this is our territory. Just like the pride of lion. I mean, they mark their territory. So Kiambaa is our territory and we have to mark it.
Wale wanaojipiga kifua ya kuwa wako na serikali, tunawaomba waelewe ya kuwa kiti cha Kiambaa sio kiti cha serikali, ni kiti cha wananchi wa Kiambaa.
Emboldened by the win in Juja constituency and Rurie ward in Nyandarua County, DP Ruto under his hustler movement is now taking on his boss in his backyard of Kiambu County. Taking the war to the president's doorstep by fronting Wanjiku Njuguna to face Jubilee's Kariri Njama in what his allies say is testing the UDA in the region, a party that Ruto hopes to use in next year's general election.
It only came 3 months ago, now is the talk of town. And we are very happy to get this opportunity to sell our party and also to test our acceptance by the people of this region. And so far, we are very happy with the way the party has been accepted.
They have been on every mountaintop, every TV station saying that our party has lost the ground, that our party has lost the support of people from our region. We will show them that that wasn't true and that Juja had nothing to do with party politics. It had everything to do with mistakes we made that they took advantage of.
Sources within the presidency say President Kenyatta was infuriated by Jubilee party leadership and reportedly read riot acts to the party's officials for bungling the by-elections.
We don't want to have a situation whereby we will be in Kiambaa and then we lose, because it will also be assumed that we have lost ourselves.
Kiambaa by-election presents a chance for Jubilee to redeem itself and shake off a growing perception that President Kenyatta is gradually losing grip of his backyard.
Uhuru is the president. These are small things. But we have said in terms of perception that he's losing control, that is a lame duck president. Because of that, he has to win, so that he can handle that part of the problem that is not in control. He needs to give the impression that he's in control.
And for Deputy President William Ruto, it is an opportunity to test his inroad in his boss's backyard after a bitter fallout that saw his position reduced to a ceremonial role.
So winning Kiambaa deep, this is Kiambaa in Kiambu, my friend, a parliamentary seat. It will send strong signals that he's not a joke, that he's taking on Uhuru Kenyatta. And for that reason, like I've said, much as a by-election is not anything to worry about, you know, for Uhuru, this is not a simple matter.
The two sides, Jubilee and UDA, are each strategizing differently. Jubilee party opting to pick a grounded candidate away from a family member, as well as rallying MPs to camp in the constituency. UDA on its part is prevailing upon other candidates to support them, hoping the withdrawal of Moses Kuria's PEP will give them a boost. Jeff Kirui, KTN News.